Hey, hello, this is Hal S. McCorkle, your marketing coach. And let me say something to you. Okay, I got it. You need more leads, right? I understand. I used to be in that same predicament when I first started, all right? And I have the solution for you, all right? You need more leads? Well, I'm going to show you where you can get more leads, right? And no, it's not a Facebook training or anything like that. It's a program that I use all the time, and I'm associated with a lot of people. It's called MLM Gateway. So what I'm going to do is share my screen with you, and then you can see how it works. All right. This is MLM Gateway. This is a phenomenal site, ladies and gentlemen. I have over 506 connections here already and growing. I can have as many connections as I want. But if you want to know where the people are for you to talk to about your business and learn more about what they do, they're right here. Look at all these people. Look at all these people. This is one page, okay? And I have more. I can go another page. I have it's a whole 11 pages right here, full of connections, okay? This is a wonderful site that you can use. You can go there, you can click on their name, it'll take you to their profile page, which is what I do here. So it shows you when they join, what city they're in, what state, region, what they're interested in, their email address. You see all of that here. Business opportunity that they're in, all of that. So if you like helping people, you can help a lot of people on here as well. That's what I do. I like to help a lot of people. So I help them out by seeing first off what it is that they need. And then if I can supply that need and help them out, that's what I do. And in return, they always want to they ask me, what am I doing? And if they really want to know what I'm doing, a lot of times I say, well, hey, you can go to my profile page, which is right here. I'll click on this is my profile page right here. Okay. And I'm an ACN, and that's a wonderful company right now. We're doing big things in this company. We're helping a lot of people, save money on their electric, their gas. We're helping with the security systems. We're helping out with their cable. We're helping out with so many things that they need that they already pay for, every day anyway. But we just show them how they can do the same thing they've been doing, but also have the opportunity to make money and save money at the same time by joining our company and using the essential services, like I said, that they already use anyway. Some people say, well, do I have to leave my company I've been with for years? No, you don't. If you're with Con Edison, you can still be with Con Edison. And that's we have Zoom is the energy company that we have as a provider. And all you do basically is you put your information into Con Ed, and you change your provider over, your energy provider over. It's free, so it doesn't cost you anything, but it helps you to save money. Okay, and also if you became a business partner with us, well, hey, if you actually signed up 12 people to the program, now your electricity bill is free. All right. But I'm not going to go into that right now because right now we're talking about MLM Gateway. Okay, as you can see here, I'm going to go to the dashboard just to show you people right now as we speak are joining. Look at this here. We're on the dashboard now. Tammy, she joined 36 minutes ago. She joined the company. Another person, she made he made an announcement. If we can make business announcements in here, we could do articles in here. We could do all kinds of stuff in here. They even have paid ads in here if you want to pay and talk to everybody in the community on this site. You can do that too. This person, Sean, she joined 4 hours ago. But as you can see, they're joining as we speak. So we never run out of new people to talk to. It's not like you're going to be talking to the same people year after year after year, and it seems like it's not growing and it's not going anywhere. People are joining this company every single day. And you also can make a commission if you want to be a partner with this company too. They pay you for getting people to join this company as well. So that's a win-win situation. Not only can you advertise your own business in here, create relationships with other people, help them out. They get interested in what you're doing, join what you're doing. You could also promote this website to other people and make a commission that way as well. So now you got money coming in from people that join you in your company. Now you got money coming in or income coming in from people that actually sign up to MLM Gateway. And now you're also helping people with their businesses too, so they could succeed. It's a win-win situation here. See, they have here advertising. I click on advertising, it takes you to the page right here. You say start now. You click on the button for start now. Then it takes you over here to the campaigns and stuff like that. It explains all to you what you need to do. It says create new campaign. You can create a campaign. I created a couple of campaigns in here. Okay. What else they have? They have support is off the hook. Business announcements. This way you can make business announcements on this site. Add business announcement. You click on here. It takes you to where you can add a business account. It said new business account right there. See? There you go. You click on that. I've done everything that I'm telling you right now in this site. And then you go right here and put the title in. You can put the body of your message all in here. You can preview it to see, make sure everything is right before you publish it. You can do all that in this one site. When you have people that's interested in joining your company, you will get a message in your email saying that somebody wants to join your website. And then you come back here, you click on leads, and it'll take you to the people that are interested. Like this person here, Bruce, he wants to join ACN. This other person wants to join another ACN, Michael. Another person wants to join HBN. You know, there's a couple of programs that I am, but all of them want to join. So you just contact them back, you give them the information, they join, and then you walk them step by step on what they have to do to be successful in whatever business it is that they joined you in. It's that simple. People message you, you can send out messages to people. I'll click here for messages. Here go people that I sent messages to, talking to them just like I said, and they respond back. This is to Dominica. Here's going from Donald. He's replied back to me. Message to, I'll be messaging a lot of people. Requests, a lot of people, and they answer me back. That's what I like about this program too, ladies and gentlemen, is you don't feel like you're talking to yourself in this program because the people actually do respond, unless you're in here spamming and stuff like that. If you're in here and you're spamming your business around, hoping that somebody joins you, then you're not going to get any kind of responses back from them. Would you want someone to spam you? I don't think so. So when you join this website, be mindful of that. Don't go crazy spamming people with your links, tell them about your business, how great it is and all that. No, this is a community where you actually communicate with people, build relationships with people, just like you would do on Facebook or Twitter or anywhere else. Build relationships with them, help them out in any way that you see that you can, give them advice. They'll give you advice too, you know, so you can learn a lot. Like I said, it's a win-win situation. This is a great website. So I don't need to really say any more about it, because all you have to really do, if you want to check out all the other things that this company has to offer for you, I'm going to leave a link down below in the description, and you can just click on that and you can join. You can join as a free member, and you can also join as a premium member. I suggest you join, get all in though, as a premium member, because then you'll be able to do everything, all the bells and whistles that they got in here, where you will be able to do everything possible to succeed. And with that, now let me stop sharing my screen. I'm back over here now. Hello. And it's great talking to whoever's listening to me right now. Like I said, my name is Harold S. McCorkle, your marketing coach. I'm here. I like sharing information to help people succeed online, offline, whatever line. Telephone line. Let me stop. All right. But you have a nice day or evening or whatever time you may be looking at this video, and get back to me. If you join, become a partner with me in ACN, me, and not only me, everybody on my team, my leaders over me, my wife and I, because we join together, we will help you out every step of the way to be successful. We're going to make sure that you make them bonuses and everything that the company promises you. See, the only way you won't make the bonuses that they promise you is if you don't do the work. But we're going to help you. We're going to show you how to do the right thing so you can get those fast start bonuses and everything else that our company has to offer. So with that, now I'm going to say you have a great day, and I'll see you on the other side. Or like us entrepreneurs say, I'll see you at the top. Bye-bye.